हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप दैट आप सब स्वस्थ होंगे एंड वॉट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन आई एम ट्राइंग टू शेयर विद यू ऑल बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वीडियोस वो आप सभी के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगी। एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन विद यू ऑल गाइज इज बिकॉज आई एम योर वेल विशर एंड आई डोंट वांट कि जो प्रॉब्लम्स हमने फेस करी वो आपको भी फेस करनी पड़े। एंड if you know all these precautions and prevention in advance, then you can prevent yourself from this monster with the name COVID. So friends, जैसा कि मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था about the symptoms of COVID-19. So if you are having any of those symptoms, then friends प्लीज आप डॉक्टर के साथ जरूर कंसल्ट करें एंड प्लीज इन सिम्टम्स को बिल्कुल भी इग्नोर मत करें। फ्रेंड्स, नाउ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो मैं आप सभी के साथ शेयर करूंगा अबाउट द प्रिकॉशंस एंड द प्रिवेंशंस विच वी हैव टू टेक बिफोर कोविड एंड ड्यूरिंग द कोविड। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो विद अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन। फ्रेंड्स, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको कोविड हो गया तो ही आप इन इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स का यूज करेंगे या तो ही आपको करना चाहिए। मैं आपको यही सलाह दूंगा कि जो 3 इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के बारे में मैं आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करूंगा अभी, वो सभी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स इजीली मेडिकल स्टोर्स पे अवेलेबल हैं एंड आपको उन्हें जरूर अपने घर पे रखना चाहिए एज अ प्रिकॉशन एंड एज अ प्रिवेंशन। So friends, let us start with our first device which is known as oximeter, and by the help of this device we can easily measure our oxygen level and we can also check our pulse rate. एंड इसको यूज करना बिल्कुल आसान है एंड वी कैन इजीली परचेज इट फ्रॉम मेडिकल एंड फ्रेंड्स इट इज नॉट कॉस्टली एंड वी कैन इजीली हैव इट एट आवर होम। तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि अपन इसको कैसे इजीली यूज कर सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, फॉर डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन पर्पस आई एम यूजिंग इट with gloves in my hand, but in actual we don't have to use gloves while using the oximeter. तो इसको यूज करना बहुत ही आसान है। Simply we can use this device either on our first finger or we can also apply it on a middle finger, and we have to place it properly on our finger and then you have to simply start the device by pressing the button. So जैसे ही आप बटन को प्रेस करेंगे ये डिवाइस स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। एंड वन थिंग विच यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड इज दैट आपको हैंड को बिल्कुल भी मूव नहीं करना है एंड आपको बिल्कुल इसको स्टिल रखना है एंड आफ्टर 30 सेकेंड और 1 मिनट यू विल गेट द प्रॉपर रीडिंग। सो इफ करंटली आई check my reading, then it is showing the oxygen level as 98 and my pulse rate is coming as 77. So my dear friends, अगर आप normal हैं, आपको breathing में कोई problem नहीं है, then it will show you the reading above 95. But if it is dropping to the level of 90, then also as per my personal experience it is fine, and doctor also suggests that if it is above 90 then still it is fine. But if this oxygen level is falling below 90, like take an example, if it is going to the level of 85 or 83 or 82, then my dear friends, it is a time when we have to move to hospitals. Because अगर आपका ऑक्सीजन लेवल फॉल कर रहा है, it means that the virus has already started impacting on our lungs. And आपको बिल्कुल भी देरी नहीं करनी है and you have to visit hospitals, and then in hospitals you can take a proper treatment. So currently for me it is showing as 98 and 85 and I think it is absolutely fine as of now. So on regular basis you have to check your oxygen level and your pulse rate at your home, and if you are having any problem in breathing or if the oxygen level is falling below the level of 90 or up to 85, then please consult with doctors. So this is about our first device. Now the second device about which I want to demonstrate is a common device and I believe that every one of you are aware of it, and this device is known as thermometer. So my dear friends, this is a digital thermometer and you can easily have it from a medical store. एंड इसको यूज करना बिल्कुल ही आसान है। मैं अभी आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करके बताता हूँ कि अपन इजीली इसको कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं। सो ऑन थर्मामीटर डिवाइस यू कैन सी दैट वी आर हैविंग दिस बटन, सो यू कैन सिंपली प्रेस दिस बटन और इसमें से बीप की साउंड आएगी एंड देन यू कैन वेट फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड एंड इट विल शो यू द लेवल एज लो। नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको सिंपली इस थर्मामीटर को अपनी टंग के जस्ट नीचे रखना है and then you have to keep it in the same position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then it will show you the proper reading of your body temperature. So my dear friends, you have seen that how easily we can measure our body temperature by the help of this thermometer. एंड फ्रेंड्स मैं आपको रीडिंग्स के बारे में ही बता देता हूँ. सो इफ़ योर बॉडी टेम्परेचर इज फॉलिंग बिटवीन द लेवल ऑफ 97 to 99, then that is fine, it is okay and it is normal temperature. But if it is falling below the level of 97, then it shows that there is certain weakness in your body. Then in that case you have to take proper diet and you have to take proper measures to increase your immunity. And if the thermometer is showing the temperature above 99, means if it is showing to the level of 100 or 101 or above, then that is a condition of fever. In that case you have to take a proper medicines. So my dear friends, this is about our second device, that is thermometer. Now I want to demonstrate you about our third device, which we can easily found in medical stores and which we can keep at our home. And this is a very useful device which can really prevent us and can help us to keep us safe from COVID. And the device about which I am talking about is an steamer. My dear friends, it is very effective device and I would like to suggest you to please have it at your home, and you can use the steamer at least twice a day. And इस device को use करना बहुत ही आसान है. So this is the water container. You have to fill the water up to the max level which is mentioned here on the container, and then you have to plug in the device, and then within a few seconds it will start generating steams for you. You have to take the steam from your nose and also from your mouth. Please do it on a daily basis. It is very useful and it is very effective. It doesn't matter whether you are having COVID or not, but this is very effective measure which you can take to prevent yourself and to keep yourself safe from COVID-19. So my dear friends, these are some of the devices which you can keep at your home to prevent yourself and to keep yourself safe from COVID-19. Now my dear friends, I would like to tell you about 2 to 3 simple steps which you can do on daily basis, and that is very effective, that can help you and prevent you from this coronavirus. एंड जो ये स्टेप्स मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको कोरोना हो जा रहा है आप उसके बाद में ही इसे यूज़ कर रहे हैं. एज अ प्रिवेंशन फ्रॉम दिस डिजीज यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस स्टेप्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम टुडे ओनली. मे बी यू कैन स्टार्ट व्हाइल वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ दैट आपको जितना ज़्यादा हो सके गर्म पानी पीना है. इसका बेस्ट एडवांटेज ये है that it is preventing you not only from this disease, but it can also help you to reduce your weight. So I think this is one point of motivation for you all to drink hot water thrice or 4 times in a day. And second one, which is a very important precaution, is that आपको फ्रिज की कोई भी चीज़ नहीं खानी है. मीन्स टू से कोई भी ठंडी चीज़ आपको बिल्कुल नहीं खानी है. Please avoid ice creams and cold juices and cold water. Please avoid them. Just try to have hot and warm liquids as much as possible. Now the next one, which is very important precaution for all of us, is that we have to do gargle at least twice a day. For gargle you can either use salt or you can use turmeric powder, but please दिन में 2 से 3 बार जरूर gargle करें. Because at initial stage when coronavirus impact our body, then it reaches to the level of throat. So our main focus and the main target is to prevent this from going below this level to the level of lungs. So how we can prevent it? We can prevent it by having warm water on a regular basis, by avoiding cold foods and liquids, and by doing gargle on a regular basis. Apart from this, the next step, which is very important step which we have to follow on a regular basis, is that we have to do yoga at least twice a day. योगा जरूर करना है in morning and in evening. आप दिन में 10 to 15 मिनट योगा करें, but please जरूर करें. So you can practice अनुलोम विलोम and pranayam. because these are the two important yogas which can help us to increase the efficiency of our lungs. So my dear friends, these are some of the precautions which you can take and do on a regular basis to keep yourself safe and healthy. Apart from this, you all can have a healthy diet to increase the immunity of your body so that it can fight against this monstrous virus that is COVID. So please practice whatever I have mentioned in this video, and I want you guys to be safe and healthy. Wish you all a good health and an happy life.